Well, it is very unfortunate how Islam is being projected and propagated in the news and in the media as a religion that is violent, that is a religion that has nothing to do with peace, as a religion that is full of so much wrongdoing. That is not the Islam that we follow. That is the fake Islam. This is the Islam, the one that is being projected on the media is the Islam that is being followed. That is a root of poison that is being followed in Najd by the Najdis, the Wahhabis. Don't call them Wahhabis. Wahhab is the beloved name, the noble name of Allah Jalla Ta'ala. Call them Najdis. And the Tabligh and Tawheed people who are called the Kilabun Nar, the dogs of hellfire, for their jealousy, for their hatred, and for their disrespect of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That is not our Aqeedah. Our Aqeedah is the true Aqeedah of Islam, Sufism, Ahle Sunnah Wal Jammah. They project Islam in something that is not peaceful. We are all about peace. We are all about harmony. We are all about interfaith understanding and compassion and love. This is what Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has taught us. This is what the Awliya Allah al-Kiram has taught us, and we follow their teachings, their traditions, their characteristics. This is not Islam. Islam is peaceful. Islam is peaceful.